start with Bhujangasana and variations in Bhujangasana. So lie down on your abdomen. Try to keep your heel closer, your palms near your side of your chest. Now inhale and then come up such that the navel point touches on the mat. Above your navel, nothing should be on the mat. Okay? Lift your chin up, look at the ceiling. Stay here for 5 breaths. When you stay here for 5 breaths, put all your upper body weight on your middle back and strengthen your middle back as much as possible. And exhale down. Now we'll do one more variation in Bhujangasana. The same thing, inhale and come up such that the navel point touches the mat and gently lift your hands off the mat. Stay here, shift all the body weight towards your lower back and strengthen your lower back. Exhale down. Now gently place your hands down in between your shoulders and your pelvic bone. Open your legs slightly out. Inhale and then come up. Now lift your navel above the ground level. Push your pelvic bone down. Protrude your pelvic bone down and then elbow straight. Push the shoulders back. Drop your neck back and then arch. Down. Now the same thing again, join your legs together.
From a comfortable sitting posture, come into the box position. Keep the wrists directly under the spine, under the shoulders, the knees in line with the palms, directly under the hip. The movement is only in the back and not in the limbs. As you inhale, you drop the back down, the head up. Exhale, you arch your back up, look at your knees. Inhale, exhale. You can continue to do this how many ever times you feel like. Inhale and exhale. Sit back whenever you feel like there is too much pressure on.
Today we're gonna see Utthita Trikonasana, extended triangle pose. To get into the pose, step out with the right foot to 90 degrees, taking at least 4 feet distance apart, and your left foot approximately 45 degrees, slightly inside. Inhale, bend inside your right hip joint, hold your right big toe with your right hand and extending your left arm straight up towards the sky. Gaze up softly at your left hand. Hold this pose for 3 to 6 slow and deep breaths. To come out, inhale and press your back heel strongly into the floor. Repeat to the left for the same length and time. Reach out to the right big toe as much as you can with each inhale and exhale. The key is to make your pelvis neutral and be comfortable wherever you are in the asana.
feet hip distance apart. Inhale, breathe through the chest, lengthen the spine. Exhale slowly with control. Bring your head down. Now grab hold of the toes with the middle index and thumb. Inhale, lift the chest, lengthen the spine. Exhale, bring your forehead down. Padahastasana. Take slow 5 deep breaths here. Inhale, lengthen the spine, breathe through the chest. Exhale, tuck your palms underneath your feet. Draw the navel in and bring your forehead down. Padahastasana. Take slow 5 deep breaths in this posture. Inhale, lengthen the spine, breathe through the chest. Exhale, hand on the hip. Inhale, slowly coming up. Samastiti.